My name is Ndudzo. I'm going to talk about why Zimbabwe is a special place. Zimbabwe is a landlocked country surrounded by South Africa, Mozambique, Botswana, and Zambia. I will talk about why Zimbabwe is a special place based on climate, oceans, geology, biology, and its culture. To start with climate. Climate of Zimbabwe is subdivided into 5 agroecological zones based on rainfall reliability. The rainfall reliability, it decreases from zone 1 to zone 5. Therefore, in zone 1, they specialize what we call specified and diversified farming because there is a high rainfall and there is moderate temperature to promote agricultural activities. Then in zone 2, they practice intensive farming where they practice most of commercial crops. Then zone 3 is semi-intensive farming. Zone 3 it's semi-extensive farming. Then is zone 4 and zone 5, they practice extensive farming where they do the cattle ranching and drought resistant crops because of rainfall unreliability. Okay, to move on onto the oceans. There is no physical contact of Zimbabwe and the oceans, but the influence of ocean is also recorded in Zimbabwe. To start with the Indian Ocean, the warm moist air that rises from the Indian Ocean, it rises, the warm air that comes from the Indian Ocean, it rises over the eastern highlands of Zimbabwe to give relief rainfall that is recorded in most parts of eastern highlands of Zimbabwe. Then we have the frontal rainfall that is recorded in mostly in February. Frontal rainfall is mainly from the 3 trade winds that originate, one from Indian Ocean, that is the southeast trade wind, and the other trade wind that is the southwest trade wind that originates from the Atlantic Ocean. Then we also have the northwest monsoon that is also originate from the Atlantic Ocean. These 3 trade winds, they collide in Zimbabwe in the month of February to give frontal rainfall, which gives the prolonged summer rains. These prolonged summer rains, they promote agricultural activities to provide food in Zimbabwe. Okay, to move on to the biology of Zimbabwe, we have Hwange National Park, which have a lot of animals which promote biodiversity in Zimbabwe. Therefore, it attracts the tourists also. Then to move on to the geology of Zimbabwe, we have the Great Dyke that it trends across the Zimbabwe. Along the Great Dyke, this is where the most mining companies of Zimbabwe are situated. We have mining companies such as Ngezi Platinum Mine, we have Hwange Colliery, we have Rishavane Gold Mine. So this is where most minerals are found along the Zimbabwe Great Dyke. We have minerals such as platinum, we have coal, and we have gold and diamonds. These are main minerals that are mined in Zimbabwe. Then to talk about the culture of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe is mainly dominated by Shona and Ndebele speaking people. But however, we also have Venda, we have Tonga, we have Xhosa, we have Kalanga, we have Sotho. So these various cultures that we have in Zimbabwe, they promote cultural diversity because of various beliefs. So this is why Zimbabwe is a special place.